Jona chenro mag weche somo e gwenge ma Merti County ma Isiolo osetimo ikruok mane ni jopuonjre ma somo e skunde 7 mane piolo ywero tok aora mare waso nyiro pong' ojot e skunde mamoko. Skunde mane midhiero yudo gin kaka skund primar kod sekondar mar Masi, skund primar kod sekondar mar Nyiri ma Khalifa, skunde primar mag Gamachu, Hamza kod Mlanda Nur. Nyaka sani chenro mag somo e skunde gorochore kendo migawo mar somo osechiwo chik ne skunde mamoko ma pod ni e yo makare mondo oket kanyachiel jopuonjre mawuok e skunde moko gi kamekgi kaka yorno mageto alwora makare mar somo.
We are being hosted by Merti primary schools. All our pit trains, 8 block trains have already submerged. They have sunk. Some semi-permanent classes have also submerged, and temporary classes have been already destroyed. Even the offices, they have flooded with water. So by now, the school is totally affected. And you know, an institution cannot operate without latrines.
We have liaised with our neighboring schools within this town to accommodate the affected schools. At least this one should be treated as a first aid. So they have assisted. That's very good.
When it comes to other schools that you have mentioned, like Khalifa Boys, where the head teacher have just spoken, Merti Muslim Primary, and Gamachu, and then Mlanda Nur, the sanitations have been swept away. That is why we have them there. Apart from Khalifa, the rest they are in school, but they are using the facilities of the nearby institution like mosque. For Merti Muslim, they are using for Jamia Mosque. For Gamachu, they are using the facilities of Umarul Farouk Mosque because they are just in the neighborhood. We requested them to help us for time being till we are appealing to the stakeholders to put those in place.